Another cool feature about the Flippy Drive is the ability to back up your physical games. So right here I've got 2 Naruto, Clash of the Ninja, Japanese NTSC games, 3 and 4. Because they never released 3 and 4 for PAL releases, there's only Clash of the Ninja 1 and 2, which is the reason why I have 2 Japanese copies. So I am going to hopefully back up one of these onto the SD card, and my first introduction to the Clash of the Ninja games is this one here, number 3. Got it imported and I had to use a freeloader disc to even play this, and I got this like on eBay. It has printed off manuals, which is nice of the previous owner to do that. And it's all neatly sort of organized here. So yeah, so right now I've got this on bypass mode, so this will launch the original Gamecube BIOS. So what I need to do is hold X and then turn the Gamecube on. So I need to get to the FlippyDrive bootloader, as you can see here, and I want to go to boot onboard doll. Let's put this disc in, so let's open the tray. Here's our disc. Pop it in, close the lid, back up, press A to continue. Now it's checking the disc. Disc is ready, so we want to Z to dump in fast mode, which is disabled, so we're just going to press X to dump in fallback mode, and it's as simple as that. It's now dumping disk. It's going to take some time. It's about 1.3 or 1.4 gigabytes, but it's as simple as that to back up a game disk. You can do this with, you know, a PAL game. I'm really glad that I can just back up these Japanese Naruto games. So I actually picked this up in like 2005 or 2006, I believe. When I first started watching Naruto, I was on like episode 123, and I didn't realize they made 1 and 2 for PAL releases. I ended up getting this one anyway online on eBay, and it was a really good nick. And this one, number 4, I got this probably about 10 years ago now, and this is the final release for the Gamecube, and it has way more characters. You can be some of the sound ninjas, which is a really cool feature. You don't get to play these characters in a lot of the Naruto games. So yeah, this is going to take like 35 minutes to back up the disc, and it should just load onto the SD card. So really glad that I can back up all of my NTSC games and get it on the SD card. It should just load up without any issues, because I'm pretty sure the Flippy Drive is region free. Another bonus having the Flippy Drive is being able to play your physical discs and backing them up.
You're mine! Summoning Jutsu! Another ninth passage. Demon Revolution. I got you! Demon Flute! Chains of Fantasia!
Alright, so that took about 35 minutes to back that disc up. So all we need to do now is boot, onload, and boot into QBoot. And this should load up all of our games. Now let's find Naruto. There it is. So this is the Naruto Clash of the Ninja 3, and we have 1 and 2 here. They're the PAL versions. So let's just load this up, and Another bonus is you don't need the freeloader disc, it just boots up. Just to show you, the disc is not running. Here's the disc. It's all in Japanese. I have no idea how I managed to complete this 100% when I did back in 2005, but I did everything. I unlocked all of the characters, and eventually my Gamecube memory card corrupted and I lost all of my progress, and I've never played it again really. Played it here and there, but not to the extent I did back in 2005. Which is a shame, because I literally had all of these characters unlocked. Some of the characters are quite hard to unlock. You have to literally finish them off how the anime finishes off the characters. So yeah, you literally have to replicate how the anime ends out. Some of the fight scenes on the anime, you need to finish them off with certain moves. But, yeah, there's. I should really play number 4, but I wonder if there's an English patch that I can download. Still a great game. There's nothing quite like this Naruto game. And you can do 2v2, 3v1. I much prefer this than the PS2 version, the Naruto games on there. Oops. So yeah, that is how you back up a physical Gamecube game.